I flied?
No, you followed.
What's going on, guys? This is Carl with the RacerRed channel. Right now I'm on Granite Creek Trail. Electric start just feels like cheating. It's awesome. I've gone 5 miles so far. This is pretty steep terrain back in here. Flew the drone a little bit. The changes we made to this bike made a big difference. Nice little trail. Feels like it might be a little bit rich, but I'm gonna call it good. Oh. And I just hit my junk on the handlebars. A lot of the mistakes I make are because of laziness caused by fatigue, which causes lazy body positioning, because the right body positioning always requires a little bit more effort. You do a lot of squats when you're on a bike. Should really be standing all the time, but fatigue sets in and you start to sit down a little bit. So a little bit of a rant. Do you guys think that this is hurting the environment? Me riding this motorcycle out in the middle of nowhere. As you look around me, everything is just chaos. Everything from the mountains to the fallen trees. Trees are constant. All this is damage. All the trees are falling over. Ooh, look at this trail. Earth has self-destructed in the past. I do believe in climate change, that's for sure, but I definitely don't believe that it's man-caused at all. I think that man uses the environment against people. I think governments use it. That way they can regulate certain aspects of your life and get away with it. It's getting real. It's getting real. You know it's real when I go over the bars. This right here is why when people say they ride dirt bikes, it like pings on my radar. I'm like, wait a minute, you ride? Wait a minute. Excuse me? Because riding has a trial by fire period like nothing else really that I've experienced. And I have fought before. I've done MMA. I did MMA for 2 years. And dirt biking, in my experience, is a lot more fast-paced and a lot more violent. So motocross is the most physically demanding sport in the world. Not a lot of people know that. But this is a very good workout, and this isn't motocross, don't get me wrong. But this is still physically demanding. I would say enduro racing, a lot of the hard enduro, has got to be more physically demanding than motocross even. So I ordered my pipe guard last week, and it got here the day after I went riding and smashed my pipe. It took forever to get here. It took like 7 days to get here. Thanks, Obama. And now I'm running into the same situation. I bought some knee guards because I realized that I'm taking some damage to my knees. Some unnecessary damage, probably. But they will probably get here today, which is just fantastic. Whatever happened to quick shipping? Now I'll probably break my knee off. Oh. Yeah, this is going straight up. This is pretty legit single track right here. That's what I love about enduro. You come out here, a lot of times if you haven't studied the area, you can find a lot of new terrain, a lot of new scenery, run into some lakes, some rivers. There's always new scenery. And even if you do explore the area online with Google Maps or whatever, you can have a destination that you're trying to get to. And a lot of that is even more fun because you can keep pushing toward a goal. But really, I mean, every weekend, the bike puts me out in this secluded area every weekend. I mean, it's just that's why I love riding. It puts you where, you know, nobody else goes. You guys all right?
We're assessing it right now.
Stomach just hurting? Is there any bruising? I'm just concerned he's got internal bleeding. Yeah, we'll check him out. That all set?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
I thought somebody stole the truck for a second.